full automatic capsule filling machine is one of the main products of grand packing machinery. It is for automatic filling of powder, granule, pellet and even oil into hard capsules. The main working processes: empty capsule feeding, capsule separating, product filling, capsule closing, capsule rejection, and output. It can be connected with capsule polisher or blister packing machine or counting and bottle filling line for an automatic production line. For more details, please contact us to discuss.